Hello, everyone. Once again, welcome back to the channel. This is Adarsh, and today we're going to talk about how to set up your Facebook ad campaigns, how to scale your Facebook ad campaigns using ChatGPT. So, I have another video on Facebook ad campaigns, how to set it up, and the basics of setting up a Facebook ad campaign. But this video is specifically when you want to use dynamic creatives and when you want to promote your project that you have using the specific user persona of the project, specifically for the projects which are coming in pre-launch, right? So when the UI's collection is there, this is for those projects. And in this video we are going to make it very short, very fast, because you can get a little more time to set up your Facebook ads. And whatever I will teach you in this video, so make sure that you experiment from your side, and do not means you can add a tweaks of certain prompts inside the video inside ChatGPT, so that you can get a better output from ChatGPT itself. I'll tell you what prompts I use. I'll be giving them in the description of this video. So for that, stay tuned till the end, and this is going to be a very short video. I would say that it would be for 6 to 7 minutes, somewhere around that. And then also I'm going to tell you how to scale your Facebook ads. So basically आप ये बात समझो कि setting up Facebook ads is not difficult at all. What's difficult is to scale up that ad, because setup करने के बाद आपको leads आने लगते हैं. Let's say you get around 4 to 5 leads a day, but the important part is that the scalability. Next day you might not get any leads, but the cost will be there because Facebook charges you on the basis of impression. So the basics is covered in that video, which the link will be there in the description. But how to use specifically ChatGPT, how to target your user using the persona, and how to fetch all the information from the internet, and then without making any mistakes, how to set up your Facebook ad. So this is what this video will be about. So rather, let's not do any delay and let's get started with the video, right? So the very first thing is that I have a graphic which I have already made for setting up this campaign. So we'll just head on to the Facebook ads manager. This is a new account. I only have one ad here, which is of Godrej City. This is a pre-launch project that is coming in. So what you have to do is you have to get inside. You have to go on to click to create. Then you have to select leads. You have to click continue. Then you have to let's just rename this Godrej City 02. Then copy this all your ad sets. I guess it didn't get copied, so it's copying it into the ad set and then into the ad itself, right? So you have to select maximize the number of conversion leads. Then you have to go here, you have to put it for 200 rupees, the basic campaign that we'll be starting with. You go into the location. The property is coming in Whitefield, which is in Bangalore, East Bangalore. So we'll just type Whitefield, Bangalore, and we'll put a location radius of 10 kilometers. Then you can also put a few other locations which are nearby, or the locations which have a proximity to the place. Uh, so I'm going to also put Indranagar here, and I'll put the radius for around 5 kilometers. People who are living in Indranagar might want to, go into a little uh, space outside the city. So we'll switch back to the original audience. There's I don't think how much the Advantage Plus audience would work, but if you want, you can just put it like that. So your Advantage Plus audience is there. You have switched the location. This is your Advantage Plus placements. Don't have to do many things about this. One thing is there which you have to switch on the dynamic creatives. Uh, so this is dynamic creative. You can put in multiple creatives, multiple headlines and other things. So we'll just move ahead into the ad itself. We'll remove this multi-advertiser ads. We'll select the images and videos. There are a few videos that I have prepared. I'll select one of the videos, and then I am going to upload the creative which I have made. So this is the creative. I have uploaded it. It's getting uploaded. Yeah. So it's uploaded now. This is the creative. Let's just remove this. These are the two creatives which we are going to market. This is a video. This is a image creative. Now this is the primary part for which we are going to use ChatGPT. So primary text, whatever your text is, the less the better. Your short headline, you can add multiple options here, and then there is your description, and then your CT, and then the display link. You also have to create a form which I have already created. So you just move on to ChatGPT. This is my extra extension of AI PRM which I have installed. Anyways, we'll click for a new chat. We'll go into GPT-4. We'll select browse with Bing, and here I have a few prompts which I have designed for my Facebook and Google Ads campaigns. So we're just going to copy this from here, and we are going to move into chat gpt, and we are going to paste this. Now we are going to replace the project name. So right now we are going to market this for Godrej City Whitefield for the new launch object of Godrej City, comma, Whitefield. So the project is coming in Whitefield. You just put it will automatically scroll through the internet and give you all the information that you need. So your copy GPT, you're an expert Facebook ads copywriter for last 15 years. Let's say once it gives, I'll be mentioning this prompt in the description. So let's get ahead with that. So the browsing, starting up the browsing. Just taking a note of all the sites where are which are ranking in the first page, and now it has collected all the information. So this is all the information it's going to put out. The magnificent property, 123 BHK apartment starting at this, but this is giving us the information of Godrej Blender. I guess there is an issue with the prompt or the name of the project that we have mentioned. So that's new launch project of Godrej City. That's removed, and the project is exactly coming at Budigere Cross. So we'll put that instead. After putting it, let's just save and submit. Hopefully this time it's going to give us the exact data. Let's see. So browsing has started up already. Searching for Godrej Budigere Cross new launch project, and let's see if it can find anything about the property. Yeah, got something. The project starts at somewhere around 95 lakh rupees. So let's see what are we getting along with this project in this prompt. Still processing the information. So for the time that it processes the information, I'm sure that it is going to give us a detailed version of the ad copy. So I'll say make the ad copy compact and size, right? Yeah. So now it has got all the data. Once we put this, so the ad copy would be, and make sure to use the emojis, right? All the location advantages and everything will be mentioned once you put this prompt inside. Now, this is the ad copy that it is building rapidly. Budigere across Bangalore, 2 3 BHK apartments, modern blend of amenities and everything. And this is a good copy. This is a good copy. Just a few. So this would be a disclaimer that ChatGPT might not give you the exact information that you are looking for, but it will save your a lot of time of yours. So once it's, yeah, now it's done generating, I'll just put this so that the ad copy is more compact, clear, and precise. Now, once it's there, we'll just copy this and we'll paste it into our ad campaign. Just this, beautiful, right? So just copy this, get into your campaign, put into the primary text, and this has started to look very nice. So we have 2 3 and 4 BHK homes. Sure, headline is book now. Anything in description, you can say pre-launch, right? Pre-launch offers, so that it gives a little touch. And rather than saying book now, you should say book visit now. When someone is booking the visit, what will they do? They'll put book now. Okay. And if you have any kind of link, your website link, you can just put it in here, or your WhatsApp chat link. That would also work. So I've already created the form looks something like this. I have asked them to select the unit configuration 234 BHKs. uh, that's it. So this is how you set up your Facebook ads campaign, and you just click to publish. It's getting started. And we are done. This is brilliant. It has taken us around 5 to 7 minutes to publish one ad, which is significant, very significant, because it takes around half an hour or 1 hour to publish one single ad when you look into the audience and the detailed things, everything. So this is done, and this is how you're going to create multiple ad sets inside one ad using ChatGPT. You can experiment with the copies, you can experiment with the creative. You can, since you have dynamic creatives, then you can put in one or two or three different videos, so which will help you to scale up your ad. You can also put in CTAs like book visit now, get offer now, sign up today, or property, whatever, festive offers, if your project has some kind of festive offers. So this is it for this video. If you are an aspiring realtor, if you want to start your real estate business, if you want to get started with SEOs, do check out Procket and our CRM, so that it can help you, manage your leads better. It can help you save a lot of time and money. Thank you so much for staying till the end, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.